Okay, looks like I got everything working. So let's go ahead and find the derivative for this function here. So of course, seeing as I see two functions or two expressions that are being divided. So this tells me that I'm going to be using the quotient rule. Okay. Now, for this to really work, what we're going to do is very similar to the product rule with some slight differences. I mean, you've seen the formula already, so you see some of the differences. Now, this top function here, this is going to be our u of x function. And this bottom guy down here, that's going to be our v function. Now, the way we set this up is going to, at the beginning, look very much like the product rule. We're going to have our u over here, so that's x plus 1, and our v function, which is x minus 4. So we go and find the derivative of these. So u prime, the 1 drops down, so that's 1 times x to the 1 minus 1 plus 0, or simply 1. Okay, I would do the same for v. So v prime, 1 drops down, so 1 times x to 1 minus 1 minus 0, because again the constant goes away, and we have 1. Okay, so now what we do is we take our little formula, which again is u prime v minus u v prime over v squared. Now here's the thing. Now with product rule, it didn't really matter which order we wrote things in. It didn't. But with quotient rule, you notice because there's a minus here, I have to pay very close attention to make sure things are going in the correct order. So my first pair is u prime and v. So my first pair would be these two right here. Okay? So u prime, which is 1, times v, which is x minus 4. Minus my other pair, u and v prime. So that's going to be x plus 1 times 1. And then all of this is over v squared. So what I'll do is I'll take v, which is x minus 4. I'm just going to write that squared. Okay, so all I really need to do is just simplify this up a little bit. So 1 times x minus 4, well, that's just x minus 4. So that's x minus 4 minus, well, this is just x plus 1. And you'll see that, well, I can simplify this even further, right? Because this negative would distribute. So we end up in the numerator with x minus 4 minus x minus 1, again, all over this x minus 4 squared. And I see x minus x, well, x's go away. Negative 4 minus 1 would give me my final derivative of negative 5 over x minus 4 squared. And that's our product rule.